Hi there, my name is Brynn Gorney, and I am going to be telling you some interesting facts about our orca friends here at SeaWorld. The first thing that's going to jump out at you is their coloration. They are black and white, but sometimes in the wild they can be just white. Now this is super cool, but two other really cool features are back on their back, behind their dorsal fin, you'll notice the gray sloping saddle. Additionally, you'll notice the white eye spot, which is slightly above and behind their actual eye. Both of these features are super cool because they help the orcas to coordinate their social interactions. This could be when they're hunting or when they're forming their swimming formations. So both of those features are going to be really important for a lot of those social interactions for the orcas. Another cool thing about their coloration is how they countershade. This is when the top or dorsal part is darker and the bottom or ventral part is lighter. This helps them to blend in at deeper depths with their surroundings, which is super cool, almost like their own built-in camouflage. Let's move on to their shape. Scientists call this a fusiform shape, which is when it's cylindrical, like a ball, and then it narrows down at the ends. This is a super energy efficient body type that is going to help the orcas to reduce drag, which is the opposing force as they propel themselves through the water. Let's go ahead and move on to size because these guys are pretty big. It's really interesting because the males are actually larger than the females. On record, the biggest ever male was 32 feet long and 22,000 pounds. That is pretty big, my friends. However, the female did measure up pretty good at 28 feet long and 16,500 pounds. So yes, there is going to be a noticeable difference in the size between the males and the females, especially in their pectoral flippers, their dorsal fin, their tail flukes, and their overall girth. But their sizes are going to vary on the ecotypes, which is the particular habitat that they are in. Finally, let's talk about those flukes that I just mentioned. This is the super famous SeaWorld logo, that two-lobed tail that the orcas have. These are pads of tough, dense, fibrous connective tissue, which means no bones, no cartilage. This is going to give that extra flexibility and allow the tail to curve so fluidly as it does. The muscles in the back third of the body are what help the orcas to move their tails, and super cool, tip to tip, these tails can be 9 feet long. So yes, our orca friends are big. They are masters of the water with their adaptations. And it's just super cool to know more about these guys. So thank you guys so much for listening and have a great rest of your day.